Welcome back, dear students. So today we continue with the chapter chemical bonding, and today's topic is hybridization. Okay. So let us define hybridization first. So hybridization is a process of mixing and recasting of atomic orbitals to produce molecular orbitals. Okay. So when we compare these two topics here, hybridization and molecular orbital theory, okay, I could have started with this MOT first, but let me clear once again this topic which you have already covered in one more chapter. So let's start with this hybridization more precisely. So mixing and recasting of atomic orbitals to produce new orbitals, which are called hybrid orbitals, and they are having same energies. That is called hybridization process. So the first type of hybridization that we have to study today is sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization means mixing of 1s and 3p orbitals to produce 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy, that is called sp3 hybridization. ठीक है, तो क्या है डेफिनेशन क्या है? Mixing and recasting of 1s and 3p orbitals to produce total 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals having equivalent energy, equal energy मतलब is called sp3 hybridization. Okay, let us understand now the formation of methane molecule with the help of sp3 hybridization. So we start with the methane molecule. Question can be asked in examination. Explain sp3 hybridization in methane molecule. Okay, a question for 3 marks. So you have to start in this way. We write down the molecular formula of methane CH4. Then you have to write the central atom in methane molecule is carbon atom. Atomic number is 6. Ground state electronic configuration. Once you write down the normal electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p2, then represent these orbitals in the form of boxes and show the presence of electrons in those orbitals. So 1s2 2s2 2p2. I have directly drawn the diagram for 2s orbital and 2p orbitals because 1s orbital is not participating in hybridization. So here we have one 2s orbital and 3 2p orbitals, 2px 2py 2pz. अभी 2s ऑर्बिटल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? 2. 2p ऑर्बिटल्स में कितने हैं? 2. फर्स्ट वन हियर, हर्ट्ज रूल, single electrons are filled first. Now here we clearly can see here कि मीथेन मॉलिक्यूल में कार्बन के 4 बॉन्ड्स हैं और हमको ये भी पता है कि कार्बन की वैलेंसी 4 है. इट इज अ टेट्रावैलेंट एटम, सो इट हैज टू फॉर्म 4 बॉन्ड्स, और 4 बॉन्ड्स फॉर्म करने के लिए 4 अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए, सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए ना. सो कार्बन विल गो टू एक्साइटेड स्टेट. इन द एक्साइटेड स्टेट one electron from 2s orbital is promoted to 2p orbital. Okay, now in the excited state carbon atom is having 4 single electrons. Once the valency is satisfied, then the next step will be hybridization and the last step bonding with hydrogen atoms. So here next step hybridization. So 1s and 3p orbitals are mixing and recasting, they get hybridized and 4 new orbitals are formed which are called sp3 hybrid orbitals. और ये sp3 hybrid orbital जो कार्बन एटम के पास है, ये चारों हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स में सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है और मीथेन मॉलिक्यूल में 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स भी है और चारों हाइड्रोजन एटम के पास भी सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. सो नाउ द 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स कैन फॉर्म बॉन्ड विथ कार्बन एटम. ओके, 4 कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स. So once you reach this step, then you have to draw the diagram. These are the 4 1 2 3 4. These carbon atom, these are the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, and these are the 4 hydrogen atoms which are forming bond with carbon atoms. Okay, and precise geometrical structure you can show like this. Tetrahedral geometry is acquired by any molecule undergoing sp3 hybridization. So we have a tetrahedral geometry here. Bond angle HCH, bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes, and 4 sigma bonds are formed because the orbitals are overlapping coaxially along the same axis between carbon and hydrogen. So 4 covalent bonds are formed. So this is the example for sp3 hybridization. Now coming to this particular concept, molecular orbital theory. हमको एक बात पहले से ही पता है, atoms combine to form molecules, बराबर ना, लोअर स्टैंडर्ड से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं आप. Atoms combine to form molecules. Similarly, atomic orbitals will combine to form molecular orbitals. अभी तक तो atomic orbitals का बात चल रहा था ना. Atomic orbitals can combine to form molecular orbitals. So this theory is based on this particular concept, molecular orbital theory. So here also let us understand with one example, simple example, formation of H2 molecule. So whenever atomic orbitals are combining, they produce molecular orbitals. These molecular orbitals are of two types. First type is bonding molecular orbital having lower energy, and second one is anti-bonding molecular orbital having higher energy. Okay, now here 2 hydrogen atoms. So we have 2 hydrogen atoms here containing single electron. Okay, so once the molecular orbitals are formed, these electrons has to be filled up in those orbitals. अभी लोअर एनर्जी में कौन सा ऑर्बिटल है? बॉन्डिंग ना. तो बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल्स में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पहले फिल होते हैं, पेयर्ड अप होते हैं. ओके, देन इफ एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर, देन दे विल गेट accommodated in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Atomic orbitals are represented by 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s ऐसे. यार लेकिन ये तो मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल है, तो इनके लिए हाँ रिप्रेजेंटेशन अलग होना चाहिए. सो हाउ दे रिप्रेजेंटेड? सी बॉन्ड फॉर्म्ड इज सिग्मा बॉन्ड. सो सिग्मा 1s1 फर्स्ट हाइड्रोजन, sigma asterisk 1s1. So this way molecular orbitals are represented. Okay, so 1s1 here, 1s1 here, and then after pairing of the 2 electrons are present in the bonding molecular orbital. So this question also, when it is asked for 2 to 3 marks, the last step is calculation of the bond order. Bond order मतलब क्या? Number of bonds present in a molecule. We already know that in H2 molecule, already we know there is one covalent bond ना. तो ये फॉर्मूला से भी हमको आंसर 1 ही आना चाहिए. कैसे? ये देखो अभी bond order is equal to number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. तो bonding molecular orbitals में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? 2 है ना. यहाँ पे लिखो ऐसे. एंटी बॉन्डिंग में कितने? 0 by 2. सो 2 by 2 1 1 1. समझ में आपको? दिस वे यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट बॉन्ड ऑर्डर फॉर एनी molecule following the molecular orbital theory. I hope you have understood today's lecture. Okay, next time we have to continue with 2 more types of hybridization, sp2 hybridization and sp hybridization. Okay, so watch this video. If any doubts you can ask in group. Okay, we'll continue in our next lecture. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.